Hi, my name is Aniruddha and I'm from PH1 Industries. So we're into complete turnkey processing for waste processing and AFR feeding in these cement plants. And well, our company is situated in Hyderabad and we have our works in Medchal. And yes, we are supplying to all the cement plants in India as well as worldwide. So yeah, I mean, footfall is fine so far. Today was an eventful day. We had customers from, I mean, all the cement plants people who had come to visit. So it was a nice experience for us. We are hopeful to see more people come tomorrow. Thanks.